Hey everyone, welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. Today, I've brought a fun and creative project using the Nokia 5110 LCD and Arduino. We'll display a welcome screen, then our brand name, and finally a clean animation of like, share, and subscribe icons on the display, perfect for mini projects or channel branding. Components used: Arduino Uno, Nokia 5110 LCD, jumper wires, breadboard. Here's the circuit diagram for this project. We have connected the Nokia 5110 display to Arduino using these pins: RST pin 8, CE, pin 9, DC, pin 10, DIN, pin 11, CLK, pin 12, VCC and light, 3.3 volts GND, GND. We're using the Adafruit PCD8544 and GFX libraries. After installing these libraries in your Arduino IDE, upload the code. It will first show a welcome message, then Digitech Dynamo, and finally the like, share, and subscribe animation. Let's now see how it works. First, it shows welcome. Then Digitech Dynamo stays on screen for 30 seconds. Then we get cool visual animations for like, share, and subscribe, perfect for small channel intros or Arduino branding. You can use this project for DIY mini projects, display branding at workshops, channel intros on hardware, learning graphical display basics with Arduino. If you like this project, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo